Today we will learn how to create the paper text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. I have taken two texture video footage here, one white and others black. I'll place the white texture in the timeline. Then I'll select the pen tool or press Ctrl T on the keyboard to create a text layer. You can write anything here. I brighten Premiere Pro. Then I'll select the text and increase the size and center it. Make sure to use bold and large font. So that's the effect looks great on the text. Next I will go to the effect panel and search for posterize time. Apply this effect to the text layer. Then search for turbulent display and apply it text layer as well. Now go to the effect control panels, set the frame size to 60%, amount to 12% and size to 25%. Then turn on the evolution option and enable keyframe for random shift. Then value will start at 0 and in the middle of animation we'll set the keyframe value to 360%. Next we'll return to the project panel and select the black texture video. We'll place the black texture on V2 layers and move the white texture to upper V3 layers. Select V2 layer, go back to the effect panel and search for track matte key, apply it to the V2 layers. Now go to the effect control panels and you will see the track matte key option. Since our text layer is on V3, set the matte to video 3. Now you will see the color has changed. If I play the video now, you will see the effect has been applied. If I move the keyframe to the end, the video will move even slower. Our text layer lasts for about 7 seconds. If I increase the speed and duration, the effect will be slower. I've set it to 50 seconds. And when I play it again, it moves much slower than before. Lastly, we'll copy the lower layers by pressing Alt and dragging them to the next positions. Now if I play it again, we can see the complete text effect with the background. For more video amazing tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos.